and I am Astrian from CNN News, bringing you the latest news for today. The flooding cosmetics of heavy rains helps blow growth and force business in the capital to close.
Areas including the central business district were inundated. The traffic was great look as residents struggled to move around the city.
Some 20,000 people have abandoned their homes as officials warned that the rain could worsen in the next few days.
The governor of Jakarta has declared a state of emergency. He also said he was committed to making a brutal effort to tackle the flooding.
Social media pictures show people waiting to almost make high water in some parts of the city while in the others the water were up to 2-meter tips.
Jakarta resident Bambang urged the government to do more to solve floods in the future.
The dams are no longer sufficient to hold the water, he said. Yaya Supriyana, an urban planning expert, told the CNN that Jakarta drainage system is still the same as it was in the Dutch colonial era, and sought pure pool.
The floods are caused by the failure to manage and sustain the rivers as water sulfur is. As such, as the governor treats the rivers because if the rivers are deeper, the better the system will function. That's all the news for today. Check it out at CNN News for the last update.
TV, and I am Austria. Thanks for watching and have a great day.